Supporting battens need to be installed around the perimeter to support the trims. Use one batten for raised edge trims and two battens for drip edge trims. Measure and cut the slate batten and install it with the screws or a nail gun through the fascia, starting at the raised edge side with a single batten. It's advised at this stage to sight in or string-line battens and pack out to suit, ensuring a neater, straighter finish to the edge trims. The B260 trim is installed around the perimeter to guide water off the roof. Measure the trim and mark with a pencil where the A200 trim meets the B260 trim. Cut the flange of the B trim and mitre both drip returns to allow the trims to sit flush to the deck. Cut the trim with an angle grinder and apply trim adhesive to the batten. Fix the trim into place using the trim adhesive and clout nails. For any joints, overlap the trims by 50 mm and apply 2 beads of trim adhesive to the underside of the overlapping trim.